Money Maker Bandit with its 4-unit lock of the day play. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon, make a donation, support the channel. You're making money, make a donation. Two-step. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, Bandit. Two-stepping. Now, down in Money Maker Bandit, the #1 ranked 100% free sports capper in the world. To the left, to the right, to the right. No credit cards needed. No $1,000 package deal. No $100 weekend package deals. And guess what? No $30 a day package deals. And guess what? No H-star NFL lock for the NFL this week. 100% free. Who doesn't like free? And play the fade or no fade game. It's a fun game and it's free. Be on the lookout for the early bird special each day. Start you off with a winner from the Bandit. Are you losing all day? You need a winner? Bandit's got your back. The late night special and #1 best play of the day. Be on the look for 2 flip a coin plays each day. And the new NHL guy, 2-0 in 2 days. The Bandits 2-0. NHL guys 2-1. Bandits 2-0. NHL flip a coin. 4-1 on the NHL. Be on the look for NHL plays. Bandits 8-unit. 4-unit lock of the day. College basketball. Middle Tennessee versus Southern Miss. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Make a donation. You're making money, make a donation, support the channel. College basketball, Tennessee, Middle Tennessee versus Southern Miss. Bandit taking Southern Miss on the money line, full game. Southern Miss, 4-unit lock of the day. Southern Miss on the money line. Will you fade or no fade the Bandit? Not so bad. Wait for it. Go Bandit. Money Maker out. Not so bad. Two-stepping. Running around. Look at Bandit. Loves this song.